How to change payment method in Agoda. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what you can do if you want to change your payment method in the Agoda app. First thing first, head over to your Agoda application. Or if you're using the browser version, you can head over to agoda.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in order to see your current payment method, you could search for a booking and find any kind of hotel or flight for booking. So just go ahead and select your city. And once you have found your hotels or your bookings, you could just tap on it. And then from here, scroll all the way to the bottom to confirm your booking or add this to your cart. Now, if you add this to your cart, what happens is you'll be taken to the checkout page. So you can proceed to cart. And then if you want to check out, tap on next. And here you're going to have to enter your card details. So if you haven't already added your card, then you can enter a new card here. So what happens is if you want to change the payment method for your current booking, so if you just tap on the three lines and head over to my bookings, you should be able to see all of your bookings here. But under your existing bookings, then you won't be able to change it because of Agoda's terms and conditions. So in that case, Agoda will suggest you to contact to its customer support. You can do that by tapping on the three lines. And then if you go back, you'll find the help center right there. Just contact their customer support and say that you want to change your payment method, and they should be able to help you. So go ahead and tap on help center. And once you get to the help center page, just contact their customer support. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.